Hi, welcome back to Maths Year 8. Thanks for all your beautiful work that you sent me yesterday. So we're looking at ratio and fractions today. So let's quickly have a quick introduction to ratios and fractions. Okay, so the ratio of red to green here is 2 to 1. Yeah, 2 red to 1 green. Now, what fraction are the counters red? Well, 2 out of 3 in total are red and 1 out of 3 are green. Yeah? And the total here we can see adds up to 2/3 add 1/3 is a whole. So 2 out of a total of 3 are red, 1 out of a total are green. Right, what about this one here? Okay, that would be a good idea actually to pause the video and write this one into your books, please. Okay, you could just have a go at this one if you want to, or wait for me to explain it. Ratio of red to green. 2 reds to 3 greens. How many are red? What fraction? 2 out of a total of 5. Yeah, there's 5 counters altogether. There are 3 out of a total of 5 counters altogether that are green. Okay, so I want you to try this one now and write this one in your book. So ratio of red to green is 1 to 3. 1 out of 4 are red, 3 out of 4 are green. Okay, one more to try. So the ratio of red to green, 3 out of 7 are red, 4 out of 7 are green. Okay, so well done on understanding simple fractions and ratios. Right, a little bit harder. Paris and Obi share money in the ratio 2 to 7. So this time you've got no counters to look at. What fraction does Paris get? Well, Paris gets 2 out of a total of 9. What does Obi get? Obi gets 7 out of 9. Notice that if I add those two together, it would come to 1, or 9 out of 9. Okay, let's look at this one a little bit harder now. In a box there are yellow and black counters. 4/9 of the counters are yellow. What is the ratio of yellow to black? So if 4/9 are yellow, I know 4 must be yellow, so how many are black? Well, I know I've got 9 altogether, so I must have 5 that are black. So we looked at the fractions. Yellow would be 4/9 and black would be 5/9. That's a good one to write into your books, a good example. Okay, now we're looking at an example with percentages. Okay, you're told 70% are green. Okay, so if 70% are green, 30% must be red. Or, if I simplified it, I've got 7, the ratio of 7 to 3. Both the answers are right. This is just simplified by dividing both of my numbers by 10. Okay, well done. A much harder one now. Okay, write this one into your books and then we'll go through it. So we've got purple, white and orange counters. 1/5 are purple and 20% are white. Now, let's look at 20%. What does 20% mean? 20% means 20 out of 100, or 2 out of 10, or 1/5. So I've got 1/5 the purple, 1/5 the white, so therefore 3/5 must be orange. Let's just look at that again. 1/5 the purple, 1/5 the white, so 3/5 must be orange. Yeah, these add up to 5. And these add up to a total of 1. But I can't have fractions in my ratio, so I must write the whole numbers, integers. I can't have fractions or decimals in ratios. So this is my answer here. Okay. Let's look at another example. This one here. The ratio of red, yellow, blue and green is 2 to 3 to 1 to 4. What percentage are red? Okay, so red, what fraction of red first of all? Well, I've got 2 out of a total. What do these all add up together? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether, this adds up to 10. So the fraction of red is 2 out of 10. But it's asking me for a percentage. Well, I need to change this to be out of 100. So times the bottom by 10, times the top by 10. So my answer is 20%. Okay, one more question for me to go through. The ratio of green to blue to yellow is 7 to 12 to 1. What percentage are green? Well, green, what fraction is green? This totals 20, is 7 out of 20. So let's change that to be out of 100. So times top and bottom by 5. So you've done a lesson on fractions, decimals and percentages. So this is 35%. Okay. Two more of harder questions before I give you your work to do. In fact, I think I'll just do one more. I think that will be enough for today. I would write this one into your books now, okay, to have this as your last example before I give you the work for today. So you've got dark, white and milk chocolates. Dark, white and milk chocolates. 3/5 are dark. 20% are white. What's 20% as a fraction? 20% is 20 out of 100 or 1/5. So 1/5 are white. So how many fifths are milk? Well, we've only got 1/5 left. 3/5, 1/5 and 1/5 make a total of 1 or 5/5. So dark to white to milk is 3 to 1 to 1. Right, well done. So you're now going to have a go now at page 12, exercise 10H. Okay, questions 1 to 9 are compulsory work, 10 and 11 are extra optional work. If you struggle with this, because there's a lot going on here, there's ratios, percentages and fractions, please give me an email. And again, look back at the video and pause it and have another rethink if you need be. Okay, have a lovely day.